Okay, so we've already talked about how to set up calling on your Mac. Now I just want to show you 3 tips on how to call with your Mac computer. So first off, if you're in a meeting or you're presenting, you don't want to get these phone calls. This is what you need to do. Is you go up here to your notification center and you scroll down, you'll pop up this. And you want to turn that on to do not disturb. So if you have that on, you won't get any phone calls, you won't get any texts, you won't get any notifications. So if you're presenting or you're in a meeting, I would turn that on if I were you. Okay? Next one is in Safari. So if I search for any local place or anywhere that has a phone number, what I can do is I can highlight the number and this little box will pop up. If I click the down arrow, I can click on call using my iPhone and it will call that phone number directly from my computer. And lastly, if I go to my contacts app, I have a contact here, and if I just roll over the phone number, this little phone will pop up. And again, if I click that, it will call that person. And for even faster, what I can do is I can do Command Spacebar for my Spotlight search, and I can type in John. It'll pop up his name, and right here, the same thing. I can roll over the number and I can call that phone number. So there are some easy steps and some nice tips to have to be able to make phone calls on your Mac.